Let's put the hood on first. Remove landing gear cover. Install the landing gear to the slot. And fix it with 2 screws. Peel off the double-sided tape on the cover plate. Cover the cover. So the landing gear is installed. First, connect the rudder cable of the lower wing. First, connect the aileron line with the Y-line. Use an extension cord to connect the light cord too. After connecting, we put the wires into the cockpit. Then align the lower wing with the slot and flatten it. We fix it with plastic screws at the back. And fix it with the screws in front. We install the bracket first. Fix it with 4 screws. Fix the wing strut with 4 screws and nuts. This carbon tube is inserted into the wing. Apply foam glue to the wing joints on both sides. The other wing is also glued. Glue the 2 wings together. Put it in a fixed position. Secure with 8 screws and nuts. Cut a groove on each side. Get the wire from here into this slot. Glue the joint. Then Then the flat and vertical tails are glued together. Install the tail assembly to the fuselage. Align the slot and press it on. Then turn the plane over. Then fix it with 2 screws. The horizontal and vertical tails are installed. We install the tie rods between the upper and lower wings. Let's take a look at the approximate location first. Then adjust the length of the chuck. Insert the wire into the upper hole first. Then fix the chuck. Repeat the same steps on the other side. The rudder of the horizontal tail is installed. Secure with 4 screws. Adjust the length of the tie rod. After adjusting the position, install the chuck on it. Fix the rudder angle with screws. First, loosen the machine rise screw of the tail wheel fixing part. Then insert the wire of the tail wheel. Then fix this tail wheel rise screw. Glue the edge of the windshield. Then install the windshield on the hatch cover. Glue the rear windshield as well. Glue it on the rear cabin. Remove the bullet and gasket from the oar cover. And then we attach the propeller. Then install the shims and bullet heads. The plane is assembled here. I'm going to show you the wiring with the MISR 66A. First, connect the two light wires of the upper wing to the extension cord of the navigation light. And then we wire them one by one. Channel 1 connects to the aileron line. The second channel connects the elevator line. The third channel is the throttle line. Fourth channel connects to the rudder line. The fifth channel is for the landing light. This way all our channel lines are connected. Fix the receiver with M-glue. Power on. Press and hold the bind button for 2 seconds. After the light turns into a slow flash, let's pair the frequencies. The green light is on. Frequency matching is completed. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring test of the entire aircraft is now complete.